This is Chris, and I'm down here in Palm Springs today looking at a bocce ball court that was installed horribly wrong. I don't know how many crazy combinations of materials I've heard of. 3 inches of oyster shell, 5 inches of oyster shell. Here's another one using 3/8 minus rock to put down a surface. You can see how loose this is. That is not good ball speed right there. You do not use 1/2 inch minus, 3/8 inch minus materials. You can use 1/4 inch minus or 2 millimeter materials, but you don't use coarse aggregate. You just will not have ball speed, and it's a real pain to maintain because you have to re-rake it or sweep it just about every game. Heck, the dust in this stuff was actually a better playing surface. Here they pulled it back. This actually plays really well. It's just now completely uneven. So we need to figure out how to put a proper surface in. And another thing, Bermuda grass has to be sprayed with Roundup or another systemic herbicide because it will always grow back. You can see whoever installed it didn't do a grow kill cycle. The little roots of this stuff have stayed in there and now popped up. If you spray Roundup at a proper dilution rate, it'll move through the leaves, go down through the roots, and suffocate the whole plant. That's what needs to be done all the way through here. It'll have to be, surface will have to be pulled back up a little bit, so it'll have to be flood irrigated, get this growing again and kill it off. So no 3/8, and always make sure you kill your Bermuda.